All right, so here we are on the doctor's side. As you can see, it's the same layout, just with different contents. So when you enter the doctor's side, the first thing you're going to see is the amount you earn as a doctor. You earn 10,000 per patient per home visit, and 4,000 for home for telemedicine. And then also you're going to see your basic metrics. You have upcoming appointments, you have total appointments, and then the list of patients you have. So if you look down your upcoming appointment, the earliest one is in 18 hours. And then let's look at the sidebar and see what we have here. So the first for the grouped actions, the first is your dashboard, and then the consultation, my patients, that's the list of patients you have on the platform. So for consultation, you're going to see the list of consultation, whether upcoming or the one that have passed or the one that were cancelled. Basically all your appointments. And then the same for urgent requests. And then your schedule is where you specify your available time so that the patient can book you. So you remember when on the patient side you see the time available for each doctor. So the time available is set by the doctor so that let's say you work at a hospital and you work a morning shift, then you can always specify your time available to be afternoons. So you choose the hours when you're available, and then those are the only times when the patient can book you. And then prescriptions, if you have given prescription to patients, then they are going to appear here. And then your invoices for withdrawal is going to appear here as well. So if you look here, it's prompting me to update my experiences so that I can gain more visibility as a doctor. So here for upcoming appointments, you can take some actions. You can view the patient profile, see the patient's details or details of the appointments, or you can see existing prescriptions if you've prescribed for this patient before. So let's get to consultations and see what we have there. So these are a list of consultations that I've made in the past. So you can see if these are test consultations that I cancelled. And then if you go to patients, you're going to see the patient details, your patients, I mean to say. So if you go to patients, you're going to see the list of patients you have on the platform. So the list of patients means all the patients you've attended to before. So you can go through them, maybe make prescriptions or push a notification to them. And then urgent requests is going to contain urgent requests that have been assigned to you. So just a flashback to when we talked about urgent requests on the patient side. You can place an urgent request and then it's going to be assigned to the earliest available doctor based on your schedule and your location as well. So let's talk about the schedule. So in my schedule, you're going to see your time available. So on Mondays or on Sundays, you have like time slots. On Mondays, you have the time slots and so on and so forth. For each day, you specify the time when you're available. So you can view the slots available, you can add more. So this basically I'm available for all time slots. So I can remove this time slot if maybe I'm going to work at this time. So I'm going to delete this hour and then delete this if I'm not available at this hour. So I'll probably be sleeping around this time. So I'll delete it. So time slot deleted. So let's say in the future I want to add this time slot again. I can come here and then choose the time, the hour, the start and the end. So yeah, let's say 1 a.m. Okay, it's 1 a.m. And then when it ends, I'm going to put it here. So click on the clock icon, then 2 o'clock. So once this is completed, then I'm able to save the hour available.